Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix green screen on your iPhone. So select your volume up button once, volume down button once as well, like quickly. So up, down, and you're going to press the power button on the right as long as you can. And if there's like a button on the top here and you can't press it, just keep pressing the button. And once it has restarted, you're going to go to settings here. Go to accessibility first, go to display and text size, scroll down and make sure the auto brightness is turned off. Then you're going to go back here, go back again, go to display and brightness, and you're going to adjust the brightness to your liking. If your phone has been updated, make sure you enable True Tone. I can't enable it though because it's not there. Then you're also going to want to update your software as well on your phone, so don't forget to do that. Go to General, go to Software Update, and find anything that, like any updates that you haven't updated yet. And lastly, I think that's it actually, but you can also go to the General here, Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset and select Reset All Settings, and it's going to reset it. Hopefully it will fix your green screen. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.